Hello all, I am Chini Kumari studying from Astana Medical University, Kazakhstan, first year, group 172. So today I am going to talk about the intramuscular injections, and I am also going to show you the procedure to administer a intramuscular injection. So first, talking about the intramuscular injections, these are the injections that are given into a muscle. So these are preferred because the muscles have a larger and more numerous blood vessels, as we know, than the subcutaneous tissue. So it leads to a faster absorption of these medications compared to the other injections, like there is subcutaneous injections. So the common sites for this injection include the deltoid muscle of the upper arm and the gluteal muscle of the buttocks. So what are the medications that are given through this intramuscular injection? So vaccine, especially as inactive vaccines, are commonly administered via intramuscular injections. Like there is a COVID-19 pandemic, as we know. So the COVID vaccines that are given to the people are also a type of these intramuscular injections that are given to the patients. So there are also medications such as antibiotics, immunoglobulin, and hormones that are given through this technique. So now coming to procedure. So what is the procedure to administer this intramuscular injection? So for administering a intramuscular injection, we have to prepare the syringe. So I have a syringe here. This is the syringe. Now first we will take the cap off. As we know that syringe should be very clean. Now we will take the vial. So here I have taken 2 ml of the medication in the syringe. So we have to check there are no air bubbles, and if there are bubbles, we can cancel them by just tapping on the needle, and then so now we will introduce this needle into the patient. So as we know that before giving any injection or doing any type of medical stuff, we have to take care of our hand hygiene. So first I'm going to sanitize my hands with this 60% alcohol based hand sanitizer, or we can also wash our hands. We can either wash our hands or sanitize our hands. And gloves are not must in giving this intramuscular injections, but for safety use I am wearing gloves. So next is the taking the consent of the patient. So here is our patient. I will be showing you the procedure to how to apply an intramuscular injection. So first, before giving an injection, we have to take consent as always. So what is your name?
Meenakshi.
And what is your age?
52.
So are you ready to take this intramuscular injection?
Yes.
So now that I have taken the consent of the patient, now I will be showing you the procedure to administer an intramuscular injection. First we will clean the injection site with an alcohol swab. Now for administering this intramuscular injection, we should know the site where this injection is given. So we have to apply the injection into the deltoid process. So we should give the injection here in between. So now I will be showing you how to give the injection. So here we will take the syringe, and now we will take the syringe and place it at 90 degree of angle, then release all the medication and remove the needle. So there are also many contraindications of this intramuscular injection. So these should not be used in people with the myopathies or to those who have trouble in clotting. So and it can also commonly result into the pain, redness, swelling, or inflammation of the injection site. So these should be taken care of. And this was the procedure and all about the intramuscular injections. Thank you.